Hi guys, hello everybody. So today I have random vlog in my life. Yesterday I was in the locksmith service of my friend, and um, I take from him this lock, and I need to back this lock to my friend. He need him for what I don't know, but he say don't got this lock. So okay, I not got this lock. This is ISEO. I don't know how to say right in English. I know this brand like ISEO, and this is R6 if I'm not mistake. And K looking strange, real strange. I don't know what is this pin number for. Very high, but cutting. His cutting looking. I don't know what is it. Okay, 6 pins and spools have, I don't know how, but have spools. Yes, not one, not two. Number 2, 3, second, third, first, four, just I am touch, and this is enter on the 5. Once again 4 I touch, and this give little move of rotor, and now 6 final. That's all. I don't know. Oops. Why the driver pins jump when you move this moment? So I need to block this moment. Yes. And that's all. I don't know what to say about this lock. Maybe this is a real, very old, easy. When I take him, I was happy. Yes. Now I happy too, but quick happy situation. Yes. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice time. Goodbye.